Welcome to this meditation session. The purpose of this practice is to help you release stress, find peace, and reconnect with a calm, centered state of mind. Find a comfortable seat where you're sitting in a chair or on the floor. Allow your body to settle into a position that feels comfortable and stable. Let's begin by gently closing your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale through your mouth, let go of any tension you might be holding onto in your body. Let each breath draw you deeper into a state of calm. Take a moment to notice how your body feels in this present moment. Feel your feet grounded on the floor or mat, connecting with the earth beneath you. Feel the weight of your body settling into your seat. With each breath, allow yourself to become more aware of your body's sensations, noticing where you might be holding tension. Don't try to change anything, simply observe. Now focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly filling your lungs with air. Hold it for a moment at the top of the breath, and then gently through your mouth, releasing any stress or discomfort. With each breath in, imagine you are inhaling calm and peace. And with each exhale, picture the stress leaving your body. Continue breathing slowly and deeply. Inhale calm. Exhale stress. Feel your body relaxing deeper with each breath. Let go of any distractions or thoughts that may arise. With each exhale, you release more of the weight you've been carrying. Now bring your attention to the area of your body where you feel the most stress. Maybe it's in your shoulders, your chest, or your lower back. Simply notice the sensation of tension in that area. As you breathe in, visualize a warm, soothing light, feeling that part of your body. Imagine this light gently melting away the stress and tension, soothing and releasing it. With each exhale, picture the tension dissolving and leaving your body, flowing out with each breath. Continue this process for a few more breaths, allowing the warm, healing light to release all the stress from your body. Now imagine the stress or pressure you are carrying as a heavy weight or a cloud hovering above you. This weight may represent any worries, responsibilities, or challenges you've been facing. In your mind, see yourself gently letting go of this weight, as if you're placing it down, leaving it behind. Allow yourself to release the need to carry it any longer. Feel lighter as you release the burden. It is no longer yours to hold. Take a moment to sit with the feeling of freedom, lightness, and relief that comes with releasing these stressors. Now bring your awareness to the thoughts in your mind. Gently repeat the following affirmations to yourself, either silently or aloud. I am calm and I am at peace. I release all stress and allow myself to be present in this moment. I trust that I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. I am strong and I can control all of my thoughts and my emotion. Feel the truth of these words sinking deeply into your being. Allow yourself to observe the peace and calm that these affirmations bring. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Notice the sounds you can hear, the air on your skin, and the feeling of your body in this space. Take a few deep breaths and slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Take one last deep breath in, feeling refreshed and calm. As you exhale, carry this peace with you throughout your day. Remember, stress is something we can choose to release at any time. You are in control and you are capable of handling anything that comes your way with grace. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. May you feel light, peaceful, and free.